Hey guys, this is me Priya. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can listen to Spotify music offline. So to listen to Spotify music offline, you need to download the music. Basically, that's what listening to music offline means. You need to download the music, and to download the music, you need to Spotify Premium. Because if you have a normal version of Spotify like me, then you won't be able to download. For you need to buy premium version of Spotify, and after buying a premium version of Spotify, you will be able to download music to listen to offline. So I don't have the ability to download it right now because I don't have a Spotify premium, but I will teach you all the methods you need to follow to download a music offline. So first go to your settings over here, and on your setting you can click on this playback button by scrolling down, and when you click on playback button, if you have Spotify premium, setting will open up, and on the setting at the top there should be a button called listen music offline. You can turn it on, and then you should be able to listen your music offline if you have downloaded them. Now let me show you how you can download them. So to download them, you can go to playlist or album. So let's say I want to download an entire playlist. So let's say I want to download this playlist over here. I can just click on it, and right beside your little like button there is a download button. So you can click on download button, which looks just like this. You can click on it, and the entire playlist will be downloaded. But if you want to download the specific song, you can enter the song. I can click on three dot, scroll down, and you should see the download button over here. When you scroll down on that download button and download the music if you want to download the music individually. So this was a process by which you can guys download and listen to Spotify music offline. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe.